Today we're gonna be comparing these cheap seat covers you can buy at any automotive store to these from Seat Cover Solutions. All right, looking at these cheap seat covers, I'm gonna try to find the instructions here. Looks like they're right here. Not much to it. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do. There's a lot of words here, but let's try to throw them on. All right, just got them out the bag. They're pretty wrinkled up, not looking too good. I'm not really sure what side goes on the top or the bottom, but let's try to throw them on. It looks like it goes like this. There's no cutout for the headrest, which I'm kind of confused about why they wouldn't have that. Let's see if we can get these on. Looks like we got the back on decently. Let's try to get the bottom on. Coming around to the front side here, it looks like they have a little, I don't know, foam piece that's supposed to wedge into this crease. I can't really get it in there very good, but it's the best I can do. Next, we're gonna just try to get this around the bottom of the seat here. Looks like that's on there now. And I have one little buckle that, based on the instructions, it doesn't really say what to do here. So I'm gonna try to find the other buckle and maybe hook something up here. All right, I found the other buckle. I believe it goes behind the seat. I'm not really sure. Like I said, the instructions are pretty brief, but let's try to buckle that up and back. Alrighty, so it looks like I just buckle it up here. It kind of sucks because it's visual to the backseat passengers, which I don't really like that you can see the strap hanging here, but it looks like we got that strapped up. Let's go check to see if there's anything else we got to do. All right, so it does look like we have this fully installed based on the directions. It fits very loose. It's kind of a cheap looking material. It's like not comfortable at all. It doesn't add any padding or anything like that. It's also very, very wrinkled. Like I said, in the packaging, it was just kind of bunched up. There's no headrest cover, just kind of all in one, which I don't really like, so I can't really adjust my headrest now that this seat cover is on. Let's head to the back and check it out. All right, looking at the back side here, this back material is actually different than it is on the front, which I don't really like this material. It's just kind of like a athletic material, I would say. There's some tags here that are pretty ugly. You also lose functionality of this pocket on the back of your seat. They don't have a pocket for you. So overall, these aren't looking too great. Let's move on to the other seat and we're gonna test out the Seat Cover Solutions seat covers next. All right, just opened up the Seat Cover Solutions. It came with this QR code, which I just scanned. It says for installation instructions. And as you can see here, it pulls up a YouTube video that they show you exactly how to install the seat covers, which is super cool. So I'm gonna watch this and then get them installed. All right, guys, just watch the video. Step-by-step instructions. The first step is gonna be to take off this headrest. All right, next step, it said to just slide this piece onto the back of the seat. And then it said to insert these discs into the crease right here. And then the last step for this back piece is just to zip it on down. So now we got full coverage. All right, next step, we're gonna move to the front here. On the bottom, we're just gonna slide on this front bottom piece here. All right, that's on there now. And then the next step is gonna be to put these two buckles into that same crease. And then the next step is gonna be to take these two buckles attached to the front of this piece, put them underneath, and buckle them up with the ones you put through the crease. All right, we got everything snapped up underneath the seat. Next step is gonna be to put the headrest right back on. And then our last step is just gonna be to put this nice headrest cover onto the headrest. Just like that. And our transformation is complete. All right, we're gonna start with this seat cover here. As you can see, it's a one-piece seat cover, so there's a lot of room right here that doesn't actually touch the seat. It's also very wrinkled from being in the packaging. It doesn't touch the material of the seat very well. And like I said earlier, there's no headrest attachment, so you can't adjust the headrest or move it around or anything like that. It's all just one piece here. There's also these ugly tags, like I said before, which I'm not really a big fan of. The seat cover itself does cover the majority of the seat, which is one of the nice things about this seat cover. You also do lose functionality of this pocket on the back of your seat. They don't have one for you, so you just lose that entirely. Overall, seat cover covers well, but it's just not very high quality at all. Let's check out the Seat Cover Solutions seat now. Taking a look over here next, as you can see, there's actually layers to the material. It's very soft and cushiony, so it adds a little bit of extra comfort to your original seats. It's also perforated, as you can see here, which makes it compatible with heated heated and cooled seats, which is really nice, especially for the hot summers and the cold winters. Over here, the material doesn't really have any perforations. It just kind of will block the airflow. So I really like that about this seat cover. It also has more of a luxury design. As you can see, they have diamond stitch, which is really nice. And then also lumbar support. I noticed that this was actually removable too if you're not a big fan of lumbar support. There's just a zipper on the inside where you can remove it, which I found really nice. It's a full coverage fit. I really like this front, so let's check out the back. All right, looking at the back side here, as you can see, they do have pockets, so you don't lose functionality of that pocket on the back of your seat. It's also the same material all around the seat, so there's no, wimping out on the back side. Also, they have airbag compatibility here. So they don't have these ugly tags either. So I find this to be a really, really good seat cover. All right, after installing both seat covers and checking out the fronts and the backs, just overall ease of installation and overall durability and comfort, I'm gonna choose Seat Cover Solutions 10 out of 10 times. Even though it might be a little bit more expensive, I think it's worth it in the long run if you wanna not lose functionality of your seats or anything like that and just be overall more comfortable in your vehicle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.